with over 25 model certificates, including 11 electrical variations and options for gas, fire, emergency lighting and ventilation. Populate essential information at the click of a button, flag overrated devices and excessive maximum ZSs. Brand your certificates with your own company logo, certification body and colour scheme. Instant retrieval of your certificate data across all devices so you never lose your information. Access the drop-down function of the award-winning NAPIT Codebreaker publication to code your observations.